In this video, we're going to be looking at what's called the octave, which is very common in music in general, but particularly as a pianist, you're going to be doing a lot of octave playing, a lot of octave work. What is an octave? Oct means 8. So it is using one note and the one that is 8 away from it. We're just looking at the white keys still as beginners. So if I choose this as my root note, this C below middle C, if I go up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, octave, I get to the next C. You can also think of an octave as two of the same. This is an octave in C. This is an octave D, octave E, F, G, A, B, C, and I could continue. I could take it down here and get something dark and heavy. In the right hand. Okay, those are all block octaves, meaning I am playing the octave the two notes of the octave together. But we also frequently end up breaking them, or doing something that's called a tremolo. Okay, tremolo is similar to a trill, except it's further away, so that is a tremolo octave. Or just broken patterns. So we get things like that frequently in popular styles of music. Once we start to combine octaves with triads and pentascales and open fifths and rhythmic patterns, and you're going to see how the octave has permeated all these different styles of music, from dance and electronica and Broadway and rock opera and more traditional opera. It's just everywhere, and you really got to understand octaves as a pianist. And a great exercise is what I was just doing, having both hands work the same octave in blocks moving up, and as well as down. You could do them broken, and broken going down. Used to that hand position. It is roughly the size of most people's hands. Some people have to stretch to get it a little bit. They have to stretch some to get it. Other people, it's quite an easy reach. All right, that is the octave.